Hello everybody, my name is Bao Cai from GCE Education Hub. Today we will be going through the 5 formulas for chemical calculations. So let's go! Okay, so these are the 5 formulas, or we call it the 5 magic triangles for chemical calculations. So for the first magic triangle, okay, it's very easy. You just see if you have number of moles and you times 6 times 10 to the power of 23, you will find the number of particles. So for example, if I want to find out how many number of particles are there in 1 mole of, let's say, hydrogen, then you just 1 mole times 6 times 10 to the power of 23. Then you will have the number of particles. Okay. Then for magic triangle 2, okay, this formula is used more frequently. You have the number of mole and you times the MR. MR means the molecular mass, also known as molar mass. Okay, and you can find the molar mass in the periodic table. Okay, so for example, lithium, the MR will be 7. Okay, it is the number of neutrons plus the number of protons. Okay, it will be the mass of the atom. So let's say I have 2 moles of lithium, my mass will be 14 grams because 2 moles times 7, okay, and the 7 is found in the periodic table, you will get 14 grams. For magic triangle 3, okay, is only for gas, okay, only for gas. So if I have, let's say, 2 moles of hydrogen gas, I just times 24 dm cube, I will have the volume ready. So 2 moles of hydrogen gas will be 48 dm cube in terms of volume, okay. And for magic triangle 4, okay, the concentration times the volume, you get the mole. So concentration, the unit is mole per dm cube and volume is dm cube. So if you do a simple math, okay, mole per dm cube times dm cube, okay, you cancel and get the mole. Okay, so concentration is how diluted the solution is. So for example, if the Milo is very concentrated, it means there's a lot of Milo powder inside, okay, in per unit volume. If it's very diluted, means there is less mole per dm cube. Okay, so it's how diluted something is. And this magic triangle, you use concentration times volume to get the mole. Similarly, if you want to find concentration and you only have the mole and volume, you just take the mole divided by volume, then you get the concentration. Okay, and the final magic triangle, okay, same thing, concentration times volume, you will get mass now. Because for magic triangle 5, the concentration is gram per dm cube rather than mole per dm cube. So if you take gram per dm cube times dm cube, you will get gram. Okay, and one thing to note is 1 dm cube is equals to 1000 cm cube. So 1 dm cube is something like 1 liter lah. So 1 dm cube equals to 1000 cm cube. And in questions, okay, they always give you cm cube. So always convert it to dm cube. If not, your answer will be wrong. So these are the 5 formulas for chemical calculations. If you find the content we are sharing useful, remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.